welcome, guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Year's. A couple days late, I know. But I'm gonna put this down a little bit. So welcome everyone to today's episode of Photography Hustle. I'm your host, Luis Rivera, and I want to say, I've been sick with the Rona without the lemon. Not too happy right now. Haven't been feeling my best, but I figured use my time wisely and use my time wisely to reach out to you guys, say hello. Hope everybody's doing all right. Hopefully everybody's eating right, getting their workouts in, because we're in the 6th of January 2022. Wow, a couple of days late here. But for those in the photography world, hopefully everyone is getting some amazing shots already with their Christmas cameras, DSLRs, mirrorless, even point and shoots, or yes, even cell phones. Today will be my third day with the Rona. I feel super tired. I feel weak. I can go to bed right now and not have a problem sleeping. Trying to get myself to sleep, but I still want to do things. I want to watch a movie, get up, move around, but it pretty much sucks. Usually I'm hungry and I can just go back to bed. I have other symptoms. I feel dizzy, I feel tired, I feel weak. My poor kid, he usually wants to play, and I had to tell him, no, buddy, we can't play today. He doesn't understand, being cooped up, it sucks for him as well. But, I also got to give it to the missus. She's been helping out a lot, so she's the real MVP here. I'm trying to keep it together, so far as my sinuses, they've been all right. My taste has been, I could taste some things and then some things I can't. It's like dulled, like for example, if I'm eating a nice taco for some reason, right? Usually I can taste, like the beef, the taco seasoning and everything like that. But for me, I'm just eating like beef regular, with no seasoning at all. I mean, that's how I can best explain it. But, trying to keep things together, like I said before. Also, I personally don't want to waste a day. I want to do just things around the house, things that I know that I need to do. But of course, my health is very important. So I'm going to try to keep this and keep, away from family and friends, and it's a terrible feeling. But on that, if you suspect somebody who is sick or who is feeling kind of sick, just make sure you keep your distance. That's all for future references. I kind of just ignored the facts, the signs, and I just kept moving on. And then surely enough, that's how I got it too. So anyways, on the photography world, right? I was so anxious about this Nikon Z9. I'm kind of getting numb, just like my Rona. I'm at this point, like, if it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm still going to wait. Excuse me. But, a lot of people are feeling just like they don't want to, they don't have the patience. Ain't nobody got time for that. And what I'm seeing is that a lot of people are putting speculations out there that's not going to come to October 2022. Some people are also mentioning that, it might be even further than that. And you know what, guys, I'm kind of tired because it almost makes you jump ship. It makes you want to jump ship. And it's not just for Nikon. I'm talking about for Canon, for Sony, the Alpha 1, the R1, the R3, whatever you guys want to call them, Fuji, the new Fujis. they're all out there. They're all having shortages, and it's not just cameras itself. There's consoles, tech. I mean, graphics card. I mean, it's everywhere. It's not just cameras itself. I mean, cameras are. I feel like it's just now catching up to them, and now they're having shortages of them. But we didn't have such shortages until now. And now also I'm seeing that everybody's saying like, oh, it's about time, that we're gonna get ours. We're gonna get ours soon, and then all of a sudden they find out that they're not gonna get theirs till later on in the future. Which again, I'm holding strong. I'm holding super strong. I'm very hopeful. If it does, it gives me more time to make payments, because of course I paid it through credit, and I went through Adorama. I didn't go through some mom and pop, which I should have. But at the same time, I'm trying to keep my a good level head, just like with this outcome of being sick. I'm trying to wait it out, do my things, and keep myself afar from everybody. Like I said, who knows? And I just got an email today, from Adorama apologizing for the delay. They're like, look, we're sorry. It's going to come at some point. Just please be patient with us. And it's going to get there, and I honestly think that with that being said, I feel like they're looking out for their guys, even though it's a big corporate, like everybody else. People are also tuning into mom and pop shops. They're asking, hey, is it here yet? Is it coming? Do you guys know any word of when it's coming? I'm pretty sure they're all stressed out. They all want their gear. It's a lot of money. I get that. But, it's out of their hands. The manufacturers can only make so much a month, if that, and they're trying their best. They're trying to do whatever they can scavenge up and try to make into, the next best thing. Now, what gets me frustrated about this whole thing is that I see also that there's new technology, which I am like, how is this possible with such shortages, yet we can make something out of nothing with new technology? And I'm like, how's that possible? And I see it more and more every day. Like I just saw this amazing new Odyssey Arc by Samsung. Like it's a 55-inch screen TV. It's curved. Amazing. Like I want one already, but I'm not going to get one. And of course, for the price and for what it does and everything, like I said, it's next level technology. I mean, wow, we're in 2023 already. But for a fact they're going to make you pressure you to put a down payment. They're going to pressure you to get, hey, if you don't reserve one now, you're not going to get ones until like 10 years from now. All right, well then that's fine. I mean, it just shows that you guys don't have the technology to make mass production. It just shows that you guys are not ready to be putting this out there yet. But I don't know. What do you guys think about that? I mean, let me know on the comments below. I'm pretty sure I'll hear about it. Also on that price gouging, right? Nikon, there is already rumors about that. People were selling them. The people that did get them, right? They were trying to sell them for $12,000. And mind you, the Nikon itself is already running at $5,500. That's a lot of money. Way, way too much if you ask me. I mean, I get it. The price as it is, as it come retail price, I'm willing to pay for that, But $12,000, are you serious? No, get out of here. Next. But I really want to get the, like I said, I'm just going to wait. And by the time it does come, it gets there. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. And I'll tell you one thing that I will not have is... Ain't nobody got time for that. That's right. She said it. Nobody got time for that. To paying $12,000. You must be crazy. Crazy to do that. And again, I don't care how much. Unless you're going to get that reimbursed. I don't know. I don't see how. But I'm not paying $12,000. You got me. Listen, I'm sick, but I'm not dumb. So... anyways, like I said, for people doing their pre-orders for, the Sony, Canon, and Fuji and Panasonics, if there is Panasonics, right? Or other camera brands out there, I feel like we're all struggling. So I think this is a great way to just kind of, relax and got the gear that we do have, right? Because I saw Canon's, it was Canon's, right? that they said that they were going to stop making DSLRs and now head on to the mirrorless world, which is great. That's awesome. That's amazing. They're not going to make new productions of DSLRs, I guess. So everything that's out there in the Canon world, DSLRs, that's, people are going to use it, for most likely to, for learning purposes. A lot of people want to still get into the DSLR world. They want to learn photography, and there's still a lot of people who are not willing to pay anything over $1,000 on DSLRs. I know a good amount of people. Like, there's a friend of mine that wants to buy, that still wants to purchase the Nikon D3000, and that came out a long, long time ago. Yet they want that camera. They think that's gonna do the job for them, and I congratulate them. Like, hey, you stick with that camera, and you get the lens that you want, and it's still gonna produce amazing photos. So, I mean, it's just all about preference, right? I don't mean to rant. I don't sound too congested, I think. At least I don't feel like I'm congested. But guys, I believe Jared Poland, I'm seeing through my notes right now, but I saw that Jared Poland said the same thing, that, $12,000. That still gets to me. But anyways, it's New Year. We want to hope for new, better things, right? We're still taking amazing photos. People are posting left and right about their photography, and it's just amazing. I mean, the wildlife, the models, the engagements, the weddings, it's just out of this world. And I get, some are not even new gear. Some are just older gear that they've been having. They're still, using the same tactics, and it's working for them. Like, it's amazing, guys. I really love that. And I'm just trying to catch up on the world today and trying to catch up on what's going on. But guys, what do you guys think? What do you really suspect that's going to happen with the whole, shortage? Do you think it's just a hoax? Do you think it's a scam? Do you think they do got it? They're just holding back on it. Let me know. I love to hear from you guys. Trying to feel better here. I hope to hear from you guys. I hope everyone's well. Everybody made it safely in the New Year's. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe as well, because this helps on my channel. And if you guys are listening on my podcast, keep supporting, keep, hearing, because again, that helps me on my channel as well. So it doesn't matter what platform you're listening or seeing, this helps me a lot. So guys, I really seriously appreciate this. It's been a great year that we ran so far. I'm hoping for a better year this time around. And that's all I can keep hoping for. And, guys, I want to still keep mentioning out there that, PD Ream's still making this music. I hope I hear from him soon, because I haven't heard from him in a minute. It's been a while, and hopefully he can produce some new content for you guys, because, again, love his music. So, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully you guys are all safe, and thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to you guys later.